Hello Dnation and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a replica of the 2008 Yamaha YZF-R1, which is a 118 scale diecast motorcycle replica manufactured by Welly. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of this amazing diecast motorcycle replica. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the boxing as always. This Yamaha YZF-R1 diecast motorcycle replica comes in a Yamaha affiliated window type box, which is a standard boxing by Welly. So as you can see, bang in the middle on the base plate this model comes on is the Welly logo alongside the name of this model, which is the 2008 Yamaha YZF-R1. And on this bottom corner of the packaging you will see the Welly logo alongside the Yamaha branding. And on this top corner is the scale of this replica, which is a 118 scale. And on top of the box is the Yamaha official licensed product branding. And on the sides of the box you will find the Welly logo along with the Yamaha branding and a graphic of the Yamaha motorcycle, which is pretty much the same on the back and on the other side of the box as well. And finally, on the bottom of the box you will find quite a bit of legal information regarding this diecast model. So kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get this opened. So to begin with, my first thoughts about this diecast replica is that it has quite a good and sturdy build quality and made of diecast for the most part, with a few components made of ABS plastic with some good details which are standard with the Welly motorcycle replicas for the most part. And I should admit that this model looks quite stunning and looks exactly like its real life counterpart, and the sculpt, the detail and finish on this replica is simply amazing and sure will make a good addition to your collection. So getting down to a few features and specifications, this Yamaha YZF-R1 replica comes with a black chassis with a navy blue and white color scheme which is prominent all throughout this model, along with some signature Yamaha decals and branding. This replica comes with an all-chrome steerable front fork that contrasts with the rest of this color theme on this replica. And this model also comes with a pair of well-detailed headlights which are a part of the front firing unit, which has a speedometer, a clear plastic visor and some minimalistic decals and the R1 branding which are in white. And this unit flows into an all-black handlebar with a pair of hand grips and a pair of clutch and brake levers. Moving down is a blue front fender that wraps around a beautiful gold alloy style wheel and a rubber tire with a double disc brake unit which is in silver. And moving on to the midsection, this fuel tank is well sculpted and painted in navy blue with the Yamaha logo on both sides which are in silver. The tank also comes with a fuel tank cap which is in silver, which seamlessly flow together as a single unit. And moving down to the heart of this ride lies a beautiful and well detailed engine sculpt which is wrapped around with the signature Yamaha race style firing with some graphics in white and the R1 branding in silver, which looks stunning. And this beautiful replica comes with a dual underseat exhaust which is in silver and black, with the rest of the midsection components in black as well. And talking about the seat, it's a two-piece race style seat which is in black that flows into a well sculpted tailpiece unit which has the Yamaha logo on it with a tail light, a pair of rear turn signals and a number plate. And the rear wheel setup is just the same as the front, but comes with a chain and sprocket unit along with a single disc brake unit which is in silver. And just so you know, the rear wheel setup comes with quite a bit of suspension, unlike the front which is rigid. And this model comes with free rolling wheels and a side kickstand in case you want to display it. And as far as the specs go, this replica measures in at 4.5 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 2.5 inches in width and weighs in approximately at about 110 grams, which are standard 118 scale diecast motorcycle specs. And with that out of the way, all I can say is that this is a beautiful and well detailed diecast replica of the 2008 Yamaha YZF-R1, and I'm glad I got this replica to add to my 118 scale diecast motorcycle collection. So overall, this is a beautiful diecast replica with some awesome details and is a definite must-have for any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a Yamaha enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the best buy link for this diecast replica in the description below. And with that out of the way, let's place this amazing and well-detailed 2008 Yamaha YZF-R1 replica on the D-Nation dyno and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. Well, the functionality seems to be perfect and just as beautiful as the well-detailed exteriors. And this Yamaha motorcycle replica gets a massive thumbs up from me for its looks as well as for its functionality. And with that being said, let's place this amazing diecast replica on the D-Nation turntable and take a look at this diecast beauty in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on the Yamaha YZF-R1 coming up. The Yamaha YZF-R1 or the R1 is an open-class sports bike or superbike motorcycle made by Yamaha from 1998 through present. Yamaha launched the YZF-R1 after redesigning the Genesis engine to create a more compact engine by raising the gearbox input shaft and allowing the gearbox output shaft to be placed beneath it. This stacked gearbox was followed by other manufacturers. Compacting the engine made the engine much shorter, allowing the wheelbase to be shortened. This allowed the frame design to place the weight of the engine in the frame to aid handling because of an optimized center of gravity. The swing arm could be made longer without compromising the overall wheelbase, which was a short 1385 mm. 440 mm Kahin CV carburetors fed fuel to the engine. It had KYB upside down 41 mm front forks and 300 mm semi-floating disc brakes. The instrument panel was electrical with a self-diagnosis system and digital speed readout. The exhaust system used Yamaha's exhaust ultimate power valve, which controlled the exhaust gas flow to maximize engine power production at all revs. This created a high-powered and high-torque engine. And for further information on the Yamaha YZF-R1, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing 2008 Yamaha YZF-R1 replica, I dropped the best buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts about this amazing Yamaha diecast replica. And this brings us to the end of this diecast motorcycle episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support D-Nation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and please do click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new diecast motorcycle episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.